Hello, welcome to Calculus class. Today, our topic for today is find the trigonometric radius using right triangles. We have one problem here. Find the cosine of angle G. We have this right triangle. This is a right triangle with these different sides, right? Hypotenuse. We are talking about this angle G, okay? So, but before I'm gonna explain some concept before to continue our class, we have to define all these kind of what I mean cosine. What is cosine? If, for example, we have this right triangle, let me make a picture about the right. This is a right triangle, okay? Going to be the right triangle. Let's make a picture of right triangle, okay? It's like this. And then let me write this is going to be X, and this is the right angle. And then we have different, for example, we have one idea is sine. So if the sine of this right triangle is, for example, sine, we write this way. This is from this we are talking about this angle. This is going to be equals opposite over hypotenuse. This is the hypotenuse. This is the catet. This is at the catet, and then hypotenuse. This is adjacent catet. This is opposite catet, and this is a hypotenuse. So we have another radio here. Is the next one is cosine. This our problem. It's about cosine. So we write in this way: cos of angle X is equals. So the formula is adjacent over adjacent catet. This one we are talking about, this catet over hypotenuse. So the other one is tangent. This is another concept, very important. Tan X. This angle is equals. This formula is like opposite this catet over adjacent catet. Okay. We have another one here. It's cotangent. We write cot X. This is equals adjacent over opposite. Adjacent catet over opposite catet. Another concept here is cosecant or secant. Let me write right here, secant. This corner, secant. Okay, secant of X secant of X is equals here is hypotenuse divided by adjacent catet adjacent, okay, adjacent, no adjective. The last one is cosecant. cosecant. It's secant. Here this formula is hypotenuse over opposite catet. Okay. So now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 formulas. 6 formulas which work in right triangles, with right triangles. In right triangles we see sine, cosine, tangent, cotangent, secant, and cosecant. Okay, 6 different formulas. So we have one problem here. Find the cosine of angle G in this right triangle, angle G. So cosine is this formula: adjacent, catet adjacent, and then over hypotenuse. This is hypotenuse. I'm going to erase all this data, keeping your mind in your notes. You have to memorize these kind of formulas. You must be able to remember when you have a problem, like this problem. Okay, we have find the cosine of the angle G. First thing we have here cos of G. Okay, so this is equals. It's going to be equals. First of all, we need to write the formula. The formula is adjacent catet over hypotenuse. This is a definition. Alright, this is the definition of our formula or problem here. Next step, this is going to be equals adjacent is GH. GH is adjacent is going to be GH divided by hypotenuse. Hypotenuse is equals FG. FG. All right. This is substitute here. Substitute here, adjacent is equals we say GX, and then hypotenuse is equals FG. Okay, so next step, you substitute like that the numbers that we have here. GH is equals 28, right? And then hypotenuse is equals 53. So here is just plug it in. Just plug it in the numbers right there. Next step. So this is our conclusion. So cos of G is equals angle G is equals 28 divided by 53, right? Okay, that is the right answer. We are applying the formulas that I showed you before. Okay, let me erase this problem, and then let's go to see or find the answer to another different problem from this. So B, let's write and find the tangent. Now find the tangent of angle Q and then this right triangle. We have this right triangle here. This is a right angle here, and then let me write the letters. So this is going to be Q, here is R, this angle, and this one is S. The sides, side is here is 33, 56, and here 65. Find the tangent of angle Q. We have to find it. First of all, we need to define the concept. Define what I mean tangent. Okay. Then just tan is equals, or tangent tan of Q. In this case is Q is equals here. What is the definition of the tangent? I showed you before. The definition is opposite over adjacent. Adjacent cutted and then opposite cutted. Okay. Opposite cutted divided by adjacent cutted. Okay. So this is our definition. This is the definition. So this is a definition of tangent. Okay. Then this is going to be equals next step. Now the opposite of Q is, what is the opposite? Cutted. It's opposite cutted is a RS. This is opposite cutted divided by or adjacent cutted is going to be QS here, and then this is called substitute. In this case opposite mean opposite is equals we say RS, and then an adjacent is equals adjacent is QS. And then just next step, just plug it in the sides. Okay, here the opposite is equals 56 divided by 33. Right? Just what we did is plug in the numbers of these sides. Okay, it's right in the corner right there. So the answer, what is the answer? So tan Q, angle Q is equals 56 divided by 33. Alright? So that is the right answer. So I solved two problems. Just apply two formula. Remember, when you work with the trigonometric radius, we have six main formulas. 6. I show you only 2, but the rest you need to practice a little bit at home or make some